When I decided to switch into being an elementary principal, I actually didn't even have it on my radar. My school district came to me and they said, hey, we see the leadership that you're doing with Le-Vel, and we want you to bring that leadership to our school. And so this business has completely transformed my career. I work full-time, I run this business full-time, and on a family level, my husband got to come home. So one thing that I'd like to add on to this is this business transformed our life as a family and as a career, but also it's allowed us to capture so many different aspects. So we now get to travel as a couple. That's really important. If you are married, you know how hard it is, and sometimes you need that time as a couple. So we get to travel several times a year together. We both run this business full time, and we both have our auto bonus, which has been an amazing asset.